Hi, this is Steve here with Sacktown Benelli. Going to be doing some work on my Benelli TNT 135. Show you a look at the bike. It's pretty new. Don't even have the back license plate on it yet. So far the only mods that I really did was add this tail bag, Starfield Night tail bag. It's low profile. I found it on the Facebook group. Someone had posted it. It's pretty small. I plan on just keeping basic toolkit in here because there's not much room under the seat. And maybe it can hold your gloves. There's not a ton of room in that thing, but I added that on there. I got the mount for a camera going, but other than that, we're going to install a RAM phone mount on it, and later on we're going to actually change out the lever in a different video. The gear shift lever, I had a problem with that where this bolt backed out through vibrations and the linkage and the gear shift lever pedal fell down, and I wasn't able to change gears, and it created a little bit of an issue for me. So I actually purchased a part off the internet, off of Amazon, this little guy, and in a later video I'm gonna change this out to eliminate the whole linkage and eliminate the problem with the bolt back out. So that's in a future video to come. The bike is metric, so I'm going to be using my metric Allen drivers, and we're going to put the RAM mount on it. I've got the phone cradle. It's very typical, the X grip that most people are using nowadays. Got the medium height riser for it that attaches to the balls, and I'm going to use the ball mount that goes here where your handlebar retaining clip is. You back out one of these and replace it with this using a number 6 metric Allen key or Allen wrench. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Enjoy the video. Alright, hopefully you can see this well enough. And I'm going to place it here and lean the phone kind of at an angle similar to the bar so it rests right about here and doesn't obscure my instrument cluster. That's the plan anyway. We'll see how we do. Hopefully this goes pretty easily. Backing out this left top Allen bolt. Number 6 Allen key or Allen wrench. Grabbing my package over here and taking a look at my options here. I want one pretty similar in length, and this one is, the shortest one's going to be the closest. Essentially, I run the new bolt in through the ball like that. Place it here. And I believe the ball is a 1-inch. Don't quote me on that. I'd have to look back on the website at my order, but I think it's a 1-inch or a B size, something with those denotations on the website. Just get that so it's not going to vibrate loose. Get that tight enough. Not overly tight. I didn't use any Loctite on it. I think I'm good. Just checking those are still pretty tight, making sure these haven't vibrated loose at all. And we're good. Not even any spin on these bolts. Yeah, we're decent. Taking my medium mount and my phone cradle, the X grip, and get this all set to go. There we are. Get that situated like how I want it. I plan to have it like that. tighten it down. There we go, and we'll do a quick test with it. Goes in there pretty nicely. Bottom, top. Pretty secure. Still out of the way of my instrument gauge cluster, so I can still read my tach, speedometer, mileage. Looks pretty good. I like where it sits at, so I'm pretty satisfied. Alright, thanks for watching.